Okay, you can go now.
The back tire come right up and over that. Turn straight. Just like, there you go, just like that.
Sean's
Just
doing
like that.
stuff too. Hold on, hold on. Let me get further away. They're coming through here. God damn it. There we go, we're back. And Chase.
Driver's tire on that flat one right there. Driver's front.
Right?
Yep.
Is this a good wheeling spot, Justin?
Let it back up.
Nope, keep coming. Keep coming, just like that. Okay, back up. Okay. Now, turn. There you go. Right there. Right there. Back towards this way. I can't take pictures of the spot.
There's pictures.
Here, you want me to take that picture?
Yeah.
Just hit it. Yeah.
Just get up over that one, you'll be good. Back up a little bit. Back up a little bit. Okay, now come up and over that. And then let off so you can come up and over that one. Just like that, right there. Let him just turn. Don't try to find production. Back up. That's a lot different. Go back up.
Oh. Uh-oh.
Just go. I don't know. Reverse. I see it. Forward. Okay, now reverse. Go.
Justin, hold up. What you want to do is you want to try to go forward and get your tire. This tire turns into that crack, and when he backs
That big
up,
rock right down there.
Justin, he wants his tires turned to the right when he tries to back up.
So try to go up that rock.
Yeah.
Oh, wait a second. Wait a second.
There you go. Hang on, let Brandon turn the wheels.
Oh, I only got 10 minutes of battery left.
Right. Go forward.
I have to get another battery. 11 minutes, my bad.
Justin, there's a big one right under the rear wheel.
Before you.
Hold it. Right there, that block, right
That
underneath
piece
the
right
back
there.
tire. There you go. Turn the wheels to the right. Try to go forward. Rock it a little bit. Forward. Leave it first. Try to keep your tires turned to the right.
Try to the right. Back up, crank them. Crank them towards me.
Kind of rock it.
Crank them back. You drop in here.
Yeah. Oh, you had it. You got it. Oh. Yeah.
There you go.
Got it. Perfect. That's what I'm talking about.
I got 10 minutes of battery left.
Can't see you. Keep going. Keep going.
Yeah. Oh, come on, baby.
Wiggle your tires back and forth a little, Brandon.
I am.